Hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. I'm so happy because it's sunny out today. Ugh, it's been so gloomy. So I just woke up. Also, I had a dream this morning and it was like one I wish was real. Alright, my advent calendar. Day 18. We got some Rolos. Ooh. Look at that sun. The lake's not frozen this morning. It is over here, but it just hasn't it like the other day, like basically this whole little part of the lake was frozen. I feel like I kind of want to get figure skates. I don't think it's gonna get like frozen for that anytime soon, but maybe like February or something. Wouldn't that be fun? Could just shovel off a little bit of ice and go ice skating. I don't really know how, but I could practice. Hello, so it's now 3. I'm not gonna lie, I woke up this morning and thought like this is gonna be a great day, I'm gonna be super productive, just like it'll be a really fun day. And then I don't know what happened, but like something just like hit me. I've been like feeling super down with myself. I think just like the realization of like, oh my gosh, it's December, you've been in quarantine since March, and you graduated, like you still don't have a job, what are you doing? Like I was just like overwhelmed with all these negative thoughts, which I usually try to stay pretty positive and like know my worth or whatever, but it's just hard not to feel like that sometimes. Like, I don't know. This is not how I saw this is not where I saw myself as a 22-year-old graduate. I thought like post-grad was gonna be like my time to shine. And obviously it's like everyone is in hard situations right now. Like I am so thankful that my parents let me stay with them. Anyway, so basically I've just been feeling down today. I put on some like workout wear, so maybe I'll want to like walk on the treadmill, and I don't know, who knows. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Okay, now I'm going to my mom has a meeting with her web designer, so she wants me to be in that, so gotta go do that. It looks so pretty out now. It's not really showing in the camera, but it's really pastel and the lake looks cool. I'll try showing it from downstairs. It looks really pretty.
Yeah, I know, the sun.
Okay, so we're trying the final one, and it's peppermint patty.
Oh, I like this.
I don't know.
You don't know? I like it.
I'm unsure. You want some more?
Not right now.
Vlog.
With Dupixent is the first treatment of its kind that continuously treats moderate to severe eczema or atopic dermatitis, even between flare-ups. Dupixent is a biologic and not a cream or steroid. Many people taking Dupixent saw clear or almost clear skin and had significantly less itch. Don't use if you're allergic to Dupixent. Serious allergic reactions can...
So I'm trying out these chocolate lava gnocchis. I heated a bit of like a little over a tablespoon of butter, and then these have to saute for 6 minutes. Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. I'll open up my Advent, see what I got. Some kisses. I just did my morning skincare and it like burns right here. I guess I'm probably just dry or something. I think my skin is starting to look a little better. I'm gonna try doing a healing mask tonight. Okay, my outfit today. Top, it's a bodysuit. It's from Free People. I got it at Nordstrom last year on sale. Jeans, ones I've been wearing a lot. From Topshop, I got them at Nordstrom Rack. Necklace, the one that I got at Charming Charlie, and then I'm going to put on earrings, and eventually I will do my makeup. But I'm gonna see if my mom wants to get Starbucks right now, because I got a gift card and I want some. Okay, the Starbucks was a bust, but they're doing a fundraiser at the restaurant by me. Just looking for some socks. So we're gonna go to that. It's like if you give cans, you get like brunch or something. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I just did my makeup. I did it on TikTok live because I kind of wanted to try it out, even though I knew I don't have enough followers for like people to actually watch, but I thought I might as well while I was doing it. Also, I swear these lashes do look so much crazier when I'm filming with this, because I think I look up and like, and there was only like max 4 people watching for a long time. It was just like, for I'd say for like 10 minutes is one person watching, and then 10 minutes like another one person watching, and there was only one person who like ever interacted with me at all. I'm going to do a Sweet Caroline TikTok, surprise surprise, only thing I do for fun. And then I'm gonna try to get my mom to make cookies with me because I've been wanting her to, and she just won't. Because I'm usually doing stuff during the day. By doing stuff, I mean, I don't know, messing around. And then by like 4 o'clock, she never wants to, because she's like, it's evening time, time to relax. And I'm like, it's evening time, time to party. So that is where the issue lies. So I'll keep you updated.
I kept it going by myself, and now I'm gonna get it on the market. I'm really excited about Delaware, and it is the big day. I'm throwing out the first pitch, I'm singing the 7th inning stretch, and I'm a nervous wreck. The part of Chicago.
Let's see the
They don't want me to be there.
We're making some cookies today. They're called apricot, however you say it. Balls. So you need 1.5 cups of cut apricots, 2 coconut, shredded, 2 cups of shredded coconut. Well, it says 2 coconut.
Oh.
2/3 a cup of sweetened condensed milk. That's half of a 15-ounce can. And then you blend, roll in
Confectioner sugar. No,
Oh, sugar.
I think you need to start over. Okay. 1.5 cup of cut apricots, 2 cups of coconut,
Shredded coconut. There's different types.
a half of a can of sweetened condensed milk, and you blend it all together and you roll it in a little ball about 1 inch, and then you roll it in confectioner sugar.
We'll show you.
We're gonna
Stop. So we just mix the cut up apricots, the coconut, and the
sweet condensed milk.
sweet and condensed milk in this. Well, we put them in there.
So we get like an inch ball, and it's just a messy job. So here's yours, here's mine, and get about that much. Might be a little much, but then you put it in your hands.
With the sugar on.
Yeah, because you're going to roll it up in a ball like this and then put it in your sugar. So I do a whole bunch of these, and you kind of want to press it together.
And then you set it in the sugar.
And then you'll roll it in the sugar. You do like 3 to 5 of them. Good. And then you roll it in the powdered sugar, and then you can put them on. So they're very rich. So little balls. This one is a little too big.
Do you put them in the oven?
Nope.
So they're like
They're done.
No bake. They roll really easily.
Yeah, it's just they're messy.
Yeah. Is this powdered sugar?
Yeah.
There it is. Complete.
Well, I keep putting more powdered sugar on my hands so they don't stick so much.
So do I. So here are the finished apricot balls. So you just wait a bit, I guess, for them to harden or something. I don't know. Very messy. Things always being so good over there.